Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic triangle and parallel lines. In previous classes, I have already discussed the chapter number 10 concept and the questions also. So, today I am again discuss with you triangle and parallel lines. Chapter name is triangle and a parallel line. So first discuss the triangle and second discuss the parallel line. Triangle and the types of a triangle, many things related to the chapters triangle and parallel lines, because many questions are based on the triangle and the parallel lines. If two parallel lines are intersect the third line, so forming a transversal and many angles are forming. So in this chapter we will discuss. So first to discuss the triangle. What is triangle? The figure found by joining the non-collinear points by a line segment. It means three line segment joining together. Three line segment in a figure found by joining the three non-collinear point by a line segment is called a triangle. It means three line segments are joined. So this figure is found. This type of figure is called the triangle. The figure formed by joining the three non-collinear point by a line segment. It means line segment is a collinear point. Collinear point in the sense, if a point lie on the same line, so this type of point is called a collinear point. But point is not lie on the same line, so this type of a point is called the non-collinear point. But in this is three line segment. AC is a line segment, BC is a line segment, and AB is also a line segment. So AB, BC and CA three line segment are a three non-collinear line, non-collinear point. Three non-collinear points are joined together, it is forming a triangle. So in a triangle, three points P, Q, R, such that like in this case A, B, C. So this point is called the vertices of a triangle. This point is called vertices of a triangle. In the sense, A point B and point C, it is the vertices of a triangle. So 3 points P, Q and R, which are called its vertices. So next is a line segment PQ, QR and RP, which are called its PQ. The three line segment PQ, QR and RP, this in this figure PQ, QR and RP, this is which called the sides of a triangle. So three lines PQ, QR and RP, it is the sides of a triangle. So next point is three angles, angle PQPR and angle QPR in this is this angle QRP this angle, and angle PQR this angle. So represent the angle P, angle Q, angle R, which is called the interior angles. This angles is called the interior angles. In this all are a interior angle, not exterior, it is the interior angle. Next is another definition related to a triangle, a simple closed figure made by a three line segment. It is the easiest definition of the triangle. A simple closed figure made by a three line segment. A simple closed figure made by a three line segment is a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, let's now next point is the interior and the boundary of a triangle. So if any points lie inside of a triangle, so this point is called the interior point. If point lie on the boundary of a triangle, it is called the boundary of a triangle. If the points lie on the outer side of a triangle, it is called the exterior of the triangle. So these points are written in the same sequence way. First is if the points lie inside the triangle, it is called the interior of a triangle. If the point lie outside the triangle, it is exterior of the triangle. If the interior region along the boundary is known as a triangular region. It is also known as a triangular region. On the boundary of a triangle, it is also known as a triangular region. So these two concepts we will discuss. Two concepts have discussed. The first is a triangle's definition of a triangle, and a concept related to interior, exterior, and the triangular region. So next point is this point. Some points are given there. First, point K is the exterior of the point, exterior of the triangle. Point G, exterior of the triangle. Point J, triangular region. Point E, interior of the triangle. Point H, interior of the triangle. So it is a you can clear the concept related to the triangle, interior, exterior, and the triangular region. So next point is a exterior angle of a triangle. That is the important point, exterior angles of a triangle. So first discuss exterior angles of a triangle. Let PQR, this figure is a given, let PQR be a triangle, PQR be a triangle, and let PQR be a triangle, produce one of its side. See, this is RS, produce one side, 2S. Then angle QRS is called the exterior angle. This angle is called the exterior angle. It means angle, let PQR be a triangle, produce one of its side is a PR. PR is a produced to S. So this one angle is a form angle QRS. This angle is called the exterior angle. So exterior angle PQR, PRQ, this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degree, because both are adjacent angle, both are adjacent angle, and both are a linear pair. So adding both is equals to 180 degree. The angle PQPR and angle PQR are called the opposite interior angles of the exterior angle QRS. This is exterior angle and this is interior angle. In the any region, any triangle or any figure, if the angles lie inside of a triangle, this is interior, and if the angles lie in the outer side of the figure, so it is exterior. So in this that angle QPR and angle PQR are called the opposite interior angles of a triangle QPR. This is opposite interior angles of the exterior QRS. This is interior opposite angle. So next point is the sum of any two sides. This is an important point related to a triangle. Sum of any two line segment is always greater than the third line. It means any triangle. If a triangle, it is a most important property related to a triangle. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. If any triangles is formed, this property is fulfilled. If this property is not fulfilled for any triangle, so it is not can be formed. So first of all, the points, if take the triangle PQR, so there are three line segment PQ, QR and RP. So any two sides, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Check it, the PR plus QR, RQ is greater than PQ, and the second is the PQ plus PR is greater than QR, and third is QR plus PQ is greater than PR. So it is a property, very important property related to a triangle. Okay, now clear this property. Okay, so next is a perimeter of a triangle. Next is a perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter means perimeter of any closed figure, or a perimeter of any closed figure of any polygon, sum of all sides. So sum of all sides is called the perimeter of a triangle. In this case, perimeter of a triangle P is equals to ABC. In this figure, this triangle is a scalene triangle. So their summation A plus B plus C is equals to its perimeter. Sum of the length of three sides is called its perimeter. So perimeter P is equals to A plus B plus C. It is also known as the semi-perimeter. 2S, twice of a perimeter, it means 2S. S is known as the semi-perimeter, and twice of S is equals to A plus B plus C. Next point is altitude of a triangle. So altitude of a triangles are altitudes of a triangle. In the particular drawn the figure, vertex of a triangle, altitude of a triangle. In this figure, this is altitude PB, QC, and AP, it is the altitude of a triangle. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex of a triangle to opposite side is called the altitude. That means PB is altitude, QC is altitude, and AP is also altitude of a triangle. So there are three altitudes in a triangle. It means perpendicular drawn from a vertices to another side. Any perpendicular drawn from the vertices to any other side, it is a perpendicular. The side is drawn directly perpendicular, it is known as the altitude of a triangle. So AP, in this figure, PB, AP and QC are the altitude of a triangle. So next is the median of a triangle. Median of a triangle, in the sense, the line joining any vertices of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is called the median of a triangle. The line joining any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is called the median of a triangle. That means this is figure. Their midpoint is point L. Point L is the midpoint of a PR. So L join to point Q. It means opposite vertex. Join opposite vertex to PR. PR L is the midpoint of a PR. So L join to the opposite vertex is Q. So QL is the median of a triangle. Okay, it is important for a triangle, and this is the median of a triangle. Next point is the congruency. Two triangles are said to be congruent triangle. Two triangles said to be congruent if they are equal to corresponding angle to another every side of equal of corresponding side. It means this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Any angle, all corresponding angles are equal. It means angle A, angle P equal, angle B, angle Q equal, angle C and angle are equal, and the side is also equal. This side is equal AP, AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR, and AC is equals to PR. So all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. So it is the both figure are a congruent triangle. Both figure are a congruent. It means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So next point or next types of a triangle are discussed on the next session. So complete the today's session. Next I will discuss the types of a triangle. Okay, thank you, student.